It's October, and we have quite a few techie updates to share with you. First up is our Fall Minecraft Build Challenge. How can we create a comic book or graphic novel in Minecraft education? All submissions are due by December 20th. And before you get started, make sure to click our Getting Started tutorial so you can learn the steps to make sure your build is a success. Our DSI Fall Professional Learning Catalog is now available. To discover the variety of in-person and self-paced options that we have available, be sure to click this link to access. Computer Science and MMPS. Here's a reminder about our Computer Science Lending Library. Are you interested in using robots and other programming kits, hands-on programming kits in your classroom instruction? Well, be sure to click the link so you can access our list of tools, resources, and also lessons that accompany each kit. Code.org is integrated with Schoology. If you haven't had a chance to connect your course with Code.org, be sure to click this link to access a tutorial. High School Hacks. Our Q1 Growing Your Online Classroom with Canva and Schoology webinar was a success, and the team is now planning for their Q2 webinar. To weigh in on what topic you think they should choose, be sure to click this link to cast your vote. Save the date. November 4th, the district will be hosting our second annual Canva for Education conference. If you're interested in learning about Canva and how you can use this robust platform for instruction, be sure to click this link to register. Space is limited. Tips and resources. Are you new to integrating robots into classroom instruction? Well, Sphero is a great way to get started. Access Sphero Central, where there's a wealth of lessons, resources, tools, and activities stored in one place for your use and integration. Click this link to access. Here's a reminder about our DSI YouTube channel. Don't forget, we have exciting announcements, engaging videos, techie tips, and inspiring stories from our MMPS students and staff. Be sure to click the link to access and subscribe. Make sure you save the date. On December 2nd, the district is hosting our annual Computer Science Pre-Play event. This is our chance of giving you the space and the freedom to come learn about and play with the different resources, robots, and kits we have available to you. This is all done in preparation for the National Computer Science Education Week. Be sure to click the link to register. And last but not least, are you interested in learning about how to incorporate generative AI and Microsoft Copilot into your instruction? We've made a course just for you. Make sure to click this link to register. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected.